Okay, what's up, guys? So for today, we're gonna be looking at ticker symbol LIDR. Okay. So I've got this one on my watch list. It's looking really good to me for a couple reasons. Okay. Directions, it clearly is going down. Okay. So this definitely has potential to go lower. Hit lows of $4.08. Okay. But look at this big, not big, but look at this nice gap right here. This is a nice gap, okay, all the way up to $13. So, um, I'm wondering, okay, if this gap doesn't fill sometime in the future, okay? So, it's definitely on my watch list. I added a few shares in the 500K challenge video. Um, and basically, right here, if you guys want to draw these up. Okay, I have the basically what I think the strong support and resistance levels are currently for LIDR. Okay, so 408 is our bottom. It's definitely our support right now. And below there, we have plenty of potential to go even lower. So we'll see if we go any lower there. And I think our next big resistance is going to be here at 5.1 or this 5.17 mark. Once the stock is showing some more life, okay, and it's staying above this 408, and we get past here at this 406, which I think we might just consolidate. It might just chop and consolidate in between here, and I'll add a line at 406, okay. Um, so basically, I think we consolidate a little bit. We may drop lower, but I think that this may be a slow burner, okay, a good long-term payoff because it has this nice gap up here to $13. So I would definitely recommend going light. Okay, this has nothing to do with fundamentals on the company. This is strictly just a slow burner. Okay, possible long hold that could pay off pretty well. For instance, if you start buying at $4 and you're able to sell your shares at $13 sometime later in the future, whether that be a year from now, 5 years, or maybe just be a few months. Who knows? So let me know what you guys think down below of ticker symbol LIDR. Are you guys grabbing any shares? What do you think about it? Do you think it's going to go to zero, or do you think this thing skyrockets back up to 13? Let me know in the comments down below.